This is the Careers for New Americans Dentist career page.
We'd like to explain some features of the site to help you get started.
The section on how your profession is organized will help you understand agencies that regulate your profession and learn more about strategies to re-enter your field more quickly.
The eligibility section explains everything you need to do before you can apply for licensing, including foreign degree evaluation, testing, and internship or training programs.
The time and the cost section compares two different scenarios for licensing to give you a better idea of how different factors can affect your own licensing process.
Are you looking for links? We've saved them for the end in the important links section.
Besides the main topic information,
the Careers for New Americans website has great features on the side of the screen
that include career tips, common words, and a resource board where users can share favorite organizations and programs to help you in your path to licensing in the state.
When you're finished exploring, please take a couple of minutes to fill out our site survey.
With your help, we can improve and expand the site to reach more new Americans like you.
Global professionals with American dreams. Thank you.